This is the lecture from eSkills Zone. To benefit from the lecture, you should download the free lecture notes from eskillszone.com. Today in this video, we will learn future indefinite tense. So let's look at the definition of future indefinite tense. The simple future is used to refer to actions that will take place after the act of speaking or writing. For example, I shall play, she will play, we will go to market, they will eat, they will go to sleep. In order to convert a positive sentence into negative, we need to place not in between helping verb and the verb. I shall not play, she will not play. There are two helping verbs which are being used in future indefinite tense, and those are shall, which we use with I, we and they, and then you have will, which we use with you, he, she and it. We use the first form of the verb in this future indefinite tense. I'll give you some more examples to have better understanding about this tense. He will go to school. That's a positive sentence, and we will not now convert positive into negative. He will not go to school, full stop, and then we'll say will he go to school, question mark. So if you notice here, helping verb is will and verb is go, and not is in between these both, which I told you earlier in the videos. So that's the thumb rule you need to remember. So let's have another sentence. She will eat food. Let's have negative sentence. She will not eat food. Apologies for the typing. Will she eat food? Let's have another example. I shall go to market. I shall not go to market, question mark, shall I go to market? So let's have another example. They will travel. They shall not travel. Shall they travel? Question mark. Let's have another example. It will rain. It will not rain, full stop. Will it rain? Question mark. Let's have some more examples. We shall study. We shall not study. Shall we study? Question mark. So if you see here, I've given you some examples. It's quite simple tense. It shows it has only just two helping verbs, shall and will, and it's a simple future tense. And if you look at the sentence structure, is quite simple and easy. I don't want to make it complicated for you. However, you need to remember one more thing. There are further three more future tenses which help you and us, which help us to elaborate further complex situations when it comes to time frame. So let's have some more examples. He will buy clothes. He will not buy clothes. Will he buy clothes? Question mark. Let's have some more example. She will pass the examination. She will not pass the examination. Question mark. Will she pass the examination? This is another example. Let's have some more practice, so that will help us to be more comfortable and have a better command. So you shall jump. Question mark. Let's do it. That's a positive sentence. Now we need to convert this into negative. You shall not jump. Shall you jump? That's a question mark, interrogative sentence. Now let's have another example. I shall take shower. I shall not take shower. Shall I take shower? Question mark. Okay, so let's take another example which is important. Let's take another example which will help us to further understand this tense in a bit more detail. She will love to cook. She will not love to cook. Will she love to cook? Let's take another example. It will end soon. It will not end soon. Will it end soon? Let's have some more examples. I shall go to school. I shall not go to school. Shall I go to school? Question mark. Please remember, whenever you are writing a sentence, you need to keep in mind punctuation too. So if, let's say, you are writing a sentence, please finish the sentence with full stop, and when you're writing an interrogative sentence, you need to end it with question mark. So in this video today we had practiced some sentences in order to have some clear understanding. Let's have some more sentences, see how better are we understanding this tense, future indefinite. He will finish his work. He will not finish his work. Will he finish his work? Question mark. Let's have another example. She will complete this project. She will not complete this project. Will she complete this project? So these are some more examples in order to have better understanding about the tense. Okay, I will request you now to write down one sentence on your notebook or a notepad if you have. And let's see if you have understood by far this new tense. Ready? Okay. We shall take shower. Full stop. Now you need to convert this sentence into negative and then this positive sentence into interrogative. So we'll say we shall not take shower. This is a negative sentence. Now we'll make interrogative sentence, which will be shall we take shower? Question mark. Let's take another example. She will ride a bicycle. She will not ride a bicycle. Will she ride a bicycle? Question mark. Let's take another example. He will go to restaurant. He will not go to restaurant. Will he go to restaurant? Question mark. Remember, the key to learn language is to practice as much as possible. You need to program your mind. You need to give a command to your mind. You need to tell your mind to start thinking in English. It will effectively improve your speaking, writing, reading, and understanding language, because your mind will be programmed to look for new words and to increase vocabulary. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you and teach you a new tense in the next video. Happy learning. Signing off for now. Bye. This is the lecture from eSkills Zone. To benefit from the lecture, you should download the free lecture notes from eSkillszone.com.